We have completed 4 lessons of science, and now we will start the revision of these 4 lessons. So we will start with lesson number 1 of science, and we will revise it once again, because many students have started watching the videos late and they have missed these videos. So we will start revising these chapters again. So the first lesson is about our body. That is my body. And in class 3rd, we have discussed about the sense organs. That is about the 5 sense organs. And those are tongue, ears, skin, nose and eyes. And in this chapter we have discussed about the external organ and the internal organs. External organs are those organs which can be seen from outside. External means which can be seen from outside, and internal organs means which cannot be seen from outside, or you can say which are inside our body. So here are two types of organs that are external organs and internal organs. External means outside, so which can be seen from outside, and internal means inside, which are inside the body and which cannot be seen. Then we have discussed about the digestive system of humans. So it has many organs. It includes the mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestines, that means large and small both, and then other organs like rectum and anus. And liver and pancreas also help in digestion. So these are the organs that are involved in this digestive system. Now we will discuss about this digestive system one by one. We will discuss their parts and the functions of those parts that help in digestion. Now, digestion starts from the mouth, and we have teeth and tongue in our mouth. First of all, we have discussed about the teeth, that we have 2 sets of teeth, that are milk teeth and permanent teeth. So milk teeth appears when a baby is about 6 months old, and by the time the baby is 3 years old, he or she has a set of 20 teeth. So milk teeth are 20 in numbers, and they are also called the temporary teeth. Now these temporary teeth are then fall out one by one between the age of 6 and 12. That means 6 से 12 years के बीच में ये teeth one by one गिर जाते हैं. That's why we call them temporary teeth. They are not permanent, they are temporary, because उन्होंने after some time they starts fall out. And new teeth grow in their place. And these new teeth are permanent teeth. That means फिर वो अपने आप नहीं गिरते, and they are permanent, हमेशा के लिए होते हैं, unless and until वो खराब हो जाए या कुछ other reason से वो टूट जाए. So they are permanent teeth and they are 32 in number. So milk teeth are 20 in number, and permanent teeth are 32 in number. So this we have to keep it in mind, that milk teeth are 20 and permanent teeth are 32 in number. And milk teeth grows when the baby is about 6 months old, and permanent teeth grows after, or they replace those temporary teeth when they fall out. Then we have discussed about the types of teeth. There are different type of teeth in our mouth. You can see here. You can see the shapes of these teeth. They all are different. You can also open the mouth in front of the mirror and you can see the shapes of your teeth. They are different. So there are 3 types of teeth. You can see here. The front teeth are flat. These are flat teeth. You can see here. These 4 in the lower jaw and in the upper jaw. These all are flat teeth. And these flat teeth are used for biting and cutting. So what is the use of the flat teeth? Used for biting and cutting the food. So these flat teeth are used for when you eat a bite, you cut the bite with the help of your front teeth. They are known as incisors and we call them incisor. They work like the scissor, and as the scissor cuts the thing, cut the cloth, similarly these teeth are used for cutting, and these are called incisors. Here you can see 4 incisors in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the incisors or flat teeth. Next is your pointed teeth. इसके बाद आते हैं हमारे pointed teeth. And pointed teeth, what are their function? They are sharp and pointed, so they are used for tearing the food. चीरने के लिए use होते हैं, tearing the food. Now you must have seen these types of teeth in the animals which are eating the flesh, like in dogs, cats, lion, tiger. Very pointed teeth, sharp teeth, और उसकी हेल्प से वो फ्लैश को चीरते हैं या फाड़ देते हैं. जब वो मीट खाते हैं, किसी दूसरे एनिमल को फाड़ते हैं, काटते हैं, so they use these pointed teeth. And these pointed teeth are known as canines. और इनका एक स्पेशल नेम दिया है, that is canines. So you have to learn these words, incisors, canines. These are the names of these teeth. And there are 4 canines, 2 in the lower jaw and 2 in the upper jaw. You can see in your mouth also. As I have told you, stand in front of the mirror, open your mouth and see these teeth. They are 4 in numbers, and there are 8 incisors and 4 canines. Next is you can see here in the picture also, these teeth are broad and grooved. चौड़े भी हैं और ये खुरदरे से उभरे हुए हैं. These teeth are present in the back of the mouth. You can see here, पीछे हैं, not in front. They are at the back of the mouth, and the upper jaw as well as in the lower jaw. And they are used. What do you think? What is the use of these broad and grooved teeth? They are used in chewing and grinding the food. So, used for chewing and grinding the food. And these are known as premolars and molars. So there are these are the names of these teeth: premolars and molars. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So premolars पहले आते हैं, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ऊपर भी 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. That means 8. And these are next to the canines. You can see here, these are canines, and after the canines there are premolars. You can see here in the upper jaw as well as in the lower jaw. After the canines there are premolars. The molars come after premolars. लास्ट जो होते हैं हमारे टीथ, दे आर कॉल्ड मोलर्स. प्रीमोलर, पहले प्रीमोलर आएगा, आफ्टर दैट मोलर्स. So there are 12 molar in all, 6 in the upper and 6 in the lower jaw. So they are 6 in number. So 3, 3, 6, and in upper jaw also 3, 3, 6. So there are 12 molars. And there are total 32 teeth in the adults, like your parents and grandparents. You can count the number of teeth in their mouth, and you can also count the number of teeth in your mouth. Numbers are different. You have less number of teeth as compared to your parents and grandparents. Next, we have discussed how to take care of teeth. So we all know that how we can take care of our teeth, and what will happen if we will not take care of our teeth. Can you tell me what will happen if we does not take care of our teeth? Yes, they can decay and fall. उन सड़ जाएंगे और वो टूट के गिर भी जाएंगे. So that if we do not take care of our teeth, they can decay and fall. Now, how do you protect your teeth? Yes, let us discuss how we can protect our teeth. First thing that you all know, that we must brush our teeth. Most of us and many of you brush teeth only once in the morning, but you should brush your teeth twice a day. That means in the morning as well as at night before going to bed. सोने से पहले भी आपको ब्रश जरूर करना चाहिए. Why? Because after having your dinner, some food particles get stuck in your teeth. एंड जब वो स्टक हो जाते हैं तो वो थोड़े टाइम के बाद सड़ जाता है वो खाना हमारे टीथ में, एंड आवर टीथ स्टार्ट डिकेइंग, और वो टीथ को भी सड़ा देता है. सो एट नाइट हमारा जो माउथ होता है वो बहुत आवर्स के लिए बंद रहता है. कंटिन्यूसली हम सोते हैं और वो कंटिन्यूसली बंद रहता है हमारा माउथ फॉर at least 7 or 8 hours, और अगर कोई ज़्यादा सोता है तो more than that. So we must brush our teeth at night also. मॉर्निंग में तो हम करते ही हैं, बट हमें नाइट में भी करना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग, rinse and wash your mouth after every meal. अब मॉर्निंग में you brush your teeth before having your breakfast. ब्रेकफास्ट से पहले करते हैं. Now, after having your breakfast, some food particles get stuck in your teeth. So, what you can do? आप हर बार तो ब्रश नहीं कर सकते और बार बार. So, what you will do? You will wash your mouth after every meal. Rinse and wash means जैसे पानी लेके आपने कुल्ला करना है हर एक खाने के बाद. Whenever you eat something, whether in breakfast, and lunch, and dinner, or after eating anything, that means evening में आप कुछ चीज खाते हैं, बिस्किट, नमकीन या whatever thing, if you eat any time in the whole day, you must rinse and wash your mouth so that food particles will not remain in your teeth. Avoid eating sweet and sugary snacks and taking soft drinks as much as possible. And teachers तो आपको कहते ही रहते हैं कि avoid junk foods. So soft drinks and sweet sugary snacks, toffees, chocolates, ये सारी चीजें आपने avoid करनी है as much as you can. जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना कम मीठी चीज़ें खानी चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज जो स्वीट थिंग्स होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिकी होती है और वो आपके टीथ में अगेन चिपक जाती है और जिससे आपके टीथ बहुत जल्दी डिके होते हैं, सड़ते हैं. यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट जो ज़्यादा मीठा खाते हैं उनके दांत भी उतने ज़्यादा खराब होते हैं और डिके हो चुके होते हैं. विजिट अ डेंटिस्ट फॉर रेगुलर डेंटल चेकअप्स. और डेंटिस्ट के पास आपने रेगुलरली जाना है. अगर आपके टीथ में प्रॉब्लम हो या ना हो, अपने डेंटिस्ट को रेगुलर चेकअप करवाइए सो दैट अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम भी होती है तो वो इमीडिएटली उसको ट्रीट कर सके. ईट फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल्स एंड guava and vegetables like radish and carrots. Such food gives exercise to our gums and you must eat fruits and vegetables, green fruits and vegetables. Clean your tongue to remove germs. Eat calcium rich food. Now why eat calcium rich food? Because our teeth and bones are made up of calcium. So जितना कैल्शियम खाएंगे हमारे उतना ही ज्यादा टीथ भी स्ट्रांग होंगे. जिनमें कैल्शियम की कमी होती है उनके टीथ बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं और बोन्स भी बहुत जल्दी फ्रैक्चर होती है. सो वी मस्ट ईट द फूड आइटम्स which contains more and more calcium. So if you are non-vegetarians, then you can eat egg and take milk and milk products. If you are vegetarian, then take milk and milk products. You know that milk is a complete food. We have already studied in previous class. Milk is a complete food. It contains most of the nutrients. और मिल्क में बहुत ज़्यादा कैल्शियम भी होता है which makes our bones and teeth stronger. So tomorrow in next video we will discuss about the other organs of digestive system. Thank you.